everyone. Currently, I'm interning with the Sparks Foundation and I'm from batch October 23. Today, I want to share my second task with you all. As you all can see on the screen, I've completed this task with the help of Power BI Desktop. And this task is based on the exploratory data analysis of IPL. With the help of this dataset, which is provided by the organization, I have to find out that the most successful teams, players, factors which is contributing win or lose of a team. So this is the problem statement of this dataset. So we can start with the analysis. So all as you all can see, this is the season in which the IPL played by all the teams. So we are talking about the recent years. Recent year. So this is the year 2022. So Gujarat Titans has win the title of winner in the season of 2022, and the Orange Cap title is won by the JS Butler, which is mainly focused on the most runs played by the batsman. And the Purple Cap title is won by the US Gel with 27 wickets of the season. So this is the data set and analysis of the year 2022. If we are moving on the year of 2021, so we get the data set that we get the data that the title of the winner is getting by the Chennai Super Kings, and the Orange Cap title is won by the RT Gaikwad with 635 runs, and the Purple Cap title is won by the HV Patel with 32 wickets of the season. So this is the analysis of year 2022 and 2021. So if we are talking about the second point, which is the factor, which is the players, the successful players of all the seasons. So of the season. So if we can see that the in the 2022 season, JC Butler is getting the orange cap title and with 863 runs. So he is the successful player in the year of 2022 with the highest runs. And if we are talking about the all-time IPL season, Orange Cap title has a win by the Virat Kohli, and the Purple Cap title is a win by the DJ Bravo. So this is the analysis of the successful teams and successful players in terms of the year 2022 and in the year of 2021. The third point and the last point is that which are the factors which are contributing to win or lose of a team. So after analyzing the data set, I can say that the factors on which I have created the chart also is that matches won based on the toss decision. So firstly, before starting the game and the match, both the teams have played the toss decision, and if a team is uh, win the toss and they have decided to fielding first, so we can see that when they are doing the fielding first, so they are the higher chances they won the match. So this is the analysis of this chart. So for this chart analysis, I have used one measure also. So yes, this is the measure I have created. So I have used in this measure is calculate function, count rows function, and I have used these 2 to 3 columns of the dataset. And the second chart is that matches won by venue. So there are so many stadiums we have in we have in India, and all the IPL matches is played in different venue in India itself. So we can say that the some stadium have the larger in length and lower in length. So this is also a factor matches won by the teams. And this chart is telling us that the total wins by a team for a season. So we are talking about the season of 2022, and the title winner of this season is Gujarat Titans. So all in this season, Gujarat Titans has won uh, overall 12 matches of in that season. Yes, and the last chart is telling us that matches win by result type. So we have two parameters, runs and wickets, which is the major part of the matches, cricket match. So there are 50% chance is a win by the runs and 50% chance of by the wickets, because the bowling and batting are playing the major role in the team to winning and losing. So this is the analysis I have done with the data set. So for analyzing the data set thoroughly, I have used some measures such as batters runs. So I have used in the concatenate function and sum function, bowlers wicket. In this measure, I have also used concatenate and sum function, title winner. In this measure, I have used variable strategy and the average by bowlers. I have used divide, sum x function, and filter function also. Yes, this is my analysis of this data set of IPL. So I will drop the link of the data set and the dashboard link in the description box. You can analyze the data set and make the Power BI dashboard by your own, and analyzing this dashboard by your own thoroughly with that link. Thank you all.